Creating a professional video is not an easy task for anyone. It is a time-taking process with lots of skill required, but many people are doing this continuously because they are using preset and templates to speed up and simplify their work. In today's video, we're gonna talking about one of the best template pack for Davinci Resolve, that is called the all-in-one bundle from Visual VFX. This pack contains everything you need as a video creator, whether you are a blogger, gamer, or any kind of content creator on YouTube or anywhere else. It has many different things such as transitions, colorful background, LUTs, light leak, and sound effects. You can use this template on any resolution, frame rate, or aspect ratio, and the price is really good. Normally, this pack cost around $400 US, but for now it is at only $99. You can use this promo code SKY10 or click on the link in the description to get a discount of $10 for the first 2 weeks and $5 for the rest of the time. So hey guys, I am Vikas from Skyline Motions and this is my honest opinion and review about this product. So let's get started. Downloading process is very simple. You only have to go on the Visual VFX website, go to your account, and here we have the all-in-one bundle. You can download everything. So here we have all the files and folders that we are getting with this bundle. We have burn transition, colorful background, LUTs, sound effects, TR transition pack for Davinci Resolve iPad. Here we have the volume 1 and volume 2 for light leaks. So let's install the transition pack first. So it's very simple. Open it up. And here we have the TR transition pack DRFX file. So we have to install the DRFX file inside of our Davinci Resolve. So it's very simple. Open your Fusion page. So we have to drag and drop the DRFX file on the flow window, just like that, and simply click on install button. And then go to your edit page, and here just go to the video transition. So we have the bright light transition. So this is the best feature of the transition. You can simply hover your mouse cursor on this transition and you will get instant preview on the preview window. And we have the favorite icon as well. So if you like any transition, you can simply click on the star button and make it your favorite. So use of transition is very simple. You can simply drag and drop these transition on the video cut. You can control the duration of the transition by simply dragging like this. It's very simple. Or you can also go to the inspector window, and here we have the duration. You can change the duration from here. And we have the glow control as well. So you can control the glow amount. Just go to the another category, which is the camera move. So we have lots of different camera move transition. Let's try this one. TR pan up. Let's drag and drop on the video cut, and here we have lots of controls, so you can control these parameters and make it your own transition. Now let's jump into the another category, which is the camera move simple. So again, we have lots of simple camera move transition. You can see each and every transition looking very perfect. Now we have the camera move zoom, so we have zoom transition as well. Let's drag and drop the zoom transition on the video cut, and here we have the zoom transition. Select the zoom transition and you will get one more best feature of the zoom transition, which is the pivot position. So you can control the pivot according to you. So either you can change the value from here, or you can also turn on the Fusion overlay button and you will get the controller. You can control the position of the rotation or control point anywhere in the frame. Perfect. Now let's jump into the another category, which is the flip category. So we have so many different type of card flip transition. We have the glitch transition as well. So each and every transition is looking very fantastic. We have lots of morphing transition as well. So you can create the dream sequence by using these transitions. And this is the rotation and pan transition. I think we have lots of rotation and pan transition. And here we have the shadow transition. So we will get the shadow transition as well. Here we have the split transition. So This is the split transition in two different parts. Alright, and this is the stretch transition. So this is my favorite transition. So you can simply drag and drop the stretch transition and apply very simply, and you will get the result, very professional result, as you can see. Now let's apply the another transitions. So just go to the media pool, right click on the media pool, click on import media, and just go to your folder, and here we have the burn transition. So I'm going to use the burn transition. Let's use one of the burn transition. I'm going to use this one. You can simply open it up and drag and drop the burn transition over on your video clip, just like this. Select the burn transition, go to the inspector window, and do one more thing. Just change the blending mode to screen mode, and now we will get the result very quickly. Perfect. Now let's check out the another things. So here we have the colorful background. So we have lots of colorful background. If you want to use these colorful background, you can simply drag and drop these transition on the timeline directly from the folder. Here is the colorful background. Now let's check out the another thing. So here we have the LUTs and the sound effects. So let me show you how you can apply the LUTs. It's very simple. Just go to the color page, and here we have the LUTs folder. You can simply open it up, right click over here, click on open file location, and this is the main location. Just go to the LUTs, and here we have to paste that LUTs. So just go to your folder, and here we have the LUTs folder. Let's select all the LUTs folder, copy all of them, go to that location and paste it just like that. Alright, you can close the folder, and here you have to refresh it, and here we have so many different type of LUTs, and here we have the cinematic Hollywood. You can simply drag and drop and apply the LUTs just like that. And we have also the sound effects. So let's jump into the sound effects. So we have 4 different categories for the sound effects. So let me show you how you can install the sound effects. It's very simple. Just go to your Davinci Resolve. You can close the media pool, close the effect. Here we have the sound library. Click on the 3 dot, add library. And here we have the fast collection sound effects, glitch sound effects, and here we have the other and whoosh sound effects. So select the whoosh, select folder, and here sound library is scanned successful. Hit OK. Now you can search the whoosh. So here we have the whoosh sound effect. You can simply drag and drop over here and see the result. Here we have the other folder, which includes 19 items, and here we have the glitch sound effects as well. You can preview all of them. And now let's jump into the another category, which is the light leak category. So let me show you how you can use these light leaks. Simply right click on the media pool, click on import media, go to Visual VFX folder. Here we have the volume 1. You can select any light leak effect. So I'm going to use this one. Let's open it up, and simply you have to drag and drop the light leak over here. So place it like this. You can cut the extra part. You can remove the extra part. Simply select the light leaks, go to the composite mode, and here you can select the screen mode, and now the light leak is working perfectly. Overall, the all-in-one bundle is really good for those who want to create a high quality video and save lots of time during editing. So if you like this product, just go to the link in the description and check this out.